Hello guys, today we're eating.
Show your food.
We're eating rice.
Yay! And let's go do a mukbang. So, I'm good at questions. I'm good at questions. Yeah. I'm good at questions. And then I'm sad because I leave the class.
Wait, first quick. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Hi to the video. Now yet.
My mukbang is Andre mukbang.
No.
Our video. Go eat. And
We're doing mukbang.
mukbang.
Mukbang. Guys, we're doing mukbang.
Mukbang. Nick, go eat.
Guys, if you want to see the camera, go.
Kumain ka muna.
I'm almost done.
Ang mga kamukhaan na ni Alex ng ano. Kada palit ko. Maliit na.
I'm done. It's a pop.
Iyan na full storage ka na. Tignan mo na, tapos na yung mga kabukbang mo.
Watching TVs on my house, and you can get a golden.
Now it's already.